world's objects are just composed of single element. Okay, next we have here arch. So what is the arch of all things in the cosmos? Cosmos is another term for universe. So ang sinasabi dito, saan nga ba nanggaling? Ano yung pinagmulan or origin ng universe? So arch, a Greek word which means the primary senses or beginning. Okay. So we have here yung mga different philosophers na meron silang iba't ibang paniniwala kung saan nanggaling yung universe or ano yung bumubuo sa matter. Okay, we have here Thales. He is known as the father of science. And he believed that water is the arch of everything or the material cause of all things. So, ang sinasabi ni Thales, according to him, that water is the primary substance why matter is formed. Okay. Next to Thales, we have Anaximander. Okay, so according to Anaximander, the principle of all things was infinity. And we have here the apeiron or infinite. And this means that there are no boundaries or unlimited daw kung saan nagagaling yung composition ng matter. And also, aside from that, Anaximander also invented the gnomon or the pointer on the sundial, which tells the time. And the first to draw a map of the inhabited world. That's why Anaximander was called as the father of astronomy because he also think of mathematical equations para makuha yung tawag dito, and he used different proportions to map the heavens. And ang sinasabi nila na si Anaximander is a pupil of Thales. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. We have Anaximenes. So according to Anaximenes, his main idea is that air is the beginning of all the composition of matter. And his main interest is metaphysics. So what is metaphysics? So metaphysics is the abstract of reality that has no basis at all. So yung mga philosophers, yung mga metaphysicians, and scientists, they have different views of how to get an answer dun sa main question kung saan nagagaling yung tawag dito, yung matter. Okay. Next, we have here Anaxagoras. Kay Anaxagoras naman, kasali din siya, we have what we call the Anaxagorian theory sa origin of the universe, wherein he said that the universe was originally an undifferentiated mass until it was worked upon by mind or nu, a spiritual component. So, di ba yung ibang sinasabi nila na meron tayong geocentric theory, wherein when we say geocentric, Earth is the center. When we say heliocentric, Sun is the center of the universe. Pero para kay Anaxagoras, yung origin daw ng universe, it was from a spiritual component and he called this a nous, N-O-U-S. Okay. Next, we have here Heraclitus. So Heraclitus, he was called the obscure and the weeping philosopher. And according to him, no man ever steps in the same river twice. Okay, so for him, a fire for Heraclitus is the primordial element or the arch. And para kay Heraclitus, parang he is comparing the things we have here sa universe sa fire because kagaya nung sinabi niya kanina dito, that no man ever steps in the same river twice. So like the fire, for example, nothing remain the same for any period of time. So para sa kanya, bawat oras, bawat segundo, paiba-iba, laging may changes. Parang yung flame sa fire, once na yung wood is sinunog na yan, it will not go back to its original composition, according to Heraclitus. Okay, next we have Empedocles. So Empedocles, he believes about the love and strife or the forces of change. And the true reality is changeless. But apparent change in objects is not an illusion. Okay. And also, he believed about the four basic elements na ito daw yung mga elements na bumubuo sa matter. We have the earth, fire, water, and air.